Good morning, students. So let's start our chapter 4, our national symbols. Okay. So, as you already know, India is a land of diversity. Why it is diversity? Because the people of different religions, languages, dresses stay together as one and called as Indians. Though they have different religions, languages, and dresses, but they called as one Indians. And because of this diversity, it is called land of diversity. Despite these differences, there is only one national symbols, national flag, national emblem, national anthem, national song, national bird, animal and flower, etc. Okay. So many differences are there in this country, but then also there are only one national symbols, that is one national flag, one national emblem, one national anthem, one national song, one national word, one national animal and one national flower. It is the duty of every citizen to respect the national symbol. These symbols bind the entire nation into one. Okay, these symbols bind the entire nation into one. So this is our national flag. The uppermost strip is of saffron color, the middle strip is of white color, and the last strip is of green color. Okay, you can write this color's name. Okay, then the question: on what occasion is the national flag hoisted in school? How do people pay respect to the national flag? So how do you pay respect? You stand in front of the national flag in attention position always. No, you don't just sit in front of the national flag. You have to give them you have to give that respect, because it is our national symbol. Okay, it is our duty. Okay, now what that color represent in that national flag? Okay, saffron represent courage and sacrifice, white represent truth and peace, green represent faith and prosperity. So these colors symbolize these things. Okay, they are symbolize these things, like saffron courage and sacrifice, white truth and peace, green faith and prosperity. And it is our national in our national flag this chakra is found, and in this chakra, or you can call a wheel, how many spokes are there? See, this is spokes. So there are 24 spokes are in this wheel. Okay, in our national flag this wheel has 24 spokes. So here is a question: count and write the number of spokes in our national flag. So there are 24. And what is the shape of our national flag? So it is of a rectangular shape, and the size is 2:3 something. 2:3 you will see again. Okay, beta. What is the color of the uppermost strip of the national flag? So this is the question. Okay, now next is our national emblem. This is our national emblem. So look at the picture carefully. You can see there are 4. You can see only three lines in this national emblem, but there are 4 lines in this national emblem. One we cannot see here. So this is our national emblem. It has been taken from the iron pillar at Sarnath. Okay, taken from iron pillar at Sarnath, built during the time of Ashoka. Below it is written Satyamev Jayate. Okay, below it is written Satyamev Jayate, and which means truth shall always triumph. मतलब सत्य की हमेशा जीत ही होती है. फिर है, how many lions are there in national emblem? These are the questions you have to write. Okay, which I am giving in your the writing section. Then next is our national anthem. You must have memorized Jana Gana Man, which we always reciting in our school. Okay, this is our national anthem, and it was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Who composed the national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, most important question. So these are the questions you have to write. Then is our national song, Vande Mataram. Okay, our national song is Vande Mataram. Is our national song. It's line taken from a book entitled आनंद मठ. ठीक है, इट्स लाइन्स आर टेकन फ्रॉम आनंद मठ. written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. So its writer is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. This song instilled the feelings of patriotism and freedom in the hearts of the Indians during the Indian freedom struggle. Okay, this is our national animal, tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Okay, peacock, our national bird. Lotus is our national flower. And now for the entire country there is just one national flag, national anthem, national song and national emblem, but the different states may have their own state bird, animal, flower, etc. This okay, so what I want to say that entire country has one national flag, okay, one national anthem, one national song and one national emblem, but different states may have their own state bird, animal, flower, etc. Like in Chhattisgarh, the state animal of Chhattisgarh is wild buffalo, and its state bird is Pahadi Maina. This is Pahadi Maina picture. So this whole chapter is completed at once. It is very small and sweet chapter, and it is very important in terms of the GK. Okay, you have to know what are the different national symbols in your country. So write the question answers in your copy and just send it to me. Okay, and be prepared for this chapter in your coming exam. Okay students, thank you. Tomorrow we will discuss chapter 6. Okay.